In a small town, there's an old art gallery rarely visited. There's only one painting that always piques curiosity. It's a portrait of a woman in a red dress, standing in front of a window against a backdrop of pouring rain. Strangely, anyone who stares at the painting for too long will feel the rain moving, the drops trickling slowly, even the sound of the raindrops faintly audible. Olya, an art student, decided to study the painting for her college assignment. She spent hours staring at it. As the gallery's clock struck midnight, something happened. The woman in the painting turned her head. "Asterisk, did you hear that?" "Asterisk," he whispered. Olya was stunned, her heart pounding. She looked around, but it was just her and the painting. "Asterisk, this rain won't stop. If you don't take my place, asterisk." In an instant, cold dew fell from the canvas, fogging up Olya's glasses. The gallery floor was wet, and in that second, she saw the woman's red dress flutter, as if a real wind were blowing from within the frame. Olya wanted to run, but her feet felt stuck. The woman's hands slowly emerged from the painting, her pale fingers reaching out. "Asterisk, come in." "I've waited too long, asterisk." Olya shouted, but her voice was lost in the sound of the rain. And when the gallery guard found the room the next morning, the floor was only wet with a puddle. The painting still hung on the wall, but now, the face of the woman in the red dress was no longer the same. She smiled, her eyes resembling Olya's.